Coming in with number 5 on our 5 new technologies for the mini assignment number 3, I am your host, Victoria Hurst. Thank you for liking and subscribing my videos. This app or technology device is called Math Snacks, satisfying your mathematical treats kids will gladly gobble up. Okay, here's the thing. Math Snacks is geared towards like 3rd to 8th graders, and I teach 2nd graders, so I wasn't too sure how I felt about this website, but I found some games that my students would like that targets them. It's for like numbers and operations. At first, I was kind of worried that it would be too advanced or too scary for my students, but then I have like certain students who are really like into zombies and monsters. So that's kind of why I picked this. I don't think that all of the games are appropriate for my students, but I definitely think that there are some that could target my 2nd grade students. To use this, you don't have to have an account. In fact, I would probably just share the link onto like my Seesaw and then give my kids directions, but it's pretty easy for them to understand. However, there's a lot of reading to do. So I also thought maybe that this is something that I could just use for my older students or my higher students. So I select this resource because it seems fairly easy to use and a low prep maintenance. The purpose of this is to resources to meet the needs of all other students who even like zombies to target them. So again, my target audience is 2nd grade students, but it's appropriate for grades 2 through 8. So let me just introduce you real quick on what this game looks like. Okay, so here's the website. It gives you a bunch of different games. I wasn't even sure like what to click. I just kind of clicked try a snack. But then I went to teaching with, and it kind of gives you which game to target. So I wanted number and operations because everything else was a little bit too advanced for my students. And I saw Monster School Bus. So I'm like, oh, okay, Monster School Bus will probably be pretty easy. So that's probably something that I would start mine off of. But again, you can click whatever you want. All right, you kind of just go through it. It loads. And then students, it gives them directions on how to play. Like it goes through all of it. And it tells you what to do. Kind of reminds me of like early 2000s. So you just use your arrow keys and you're trying to make, okay, my bus is full and I need to drop it off. And then I need to, hold on, I want to pause this. Okay, after I drop the kids off at school, then I need to find other ways to make a 10. So how am I going to use the best way of my seats? So then I might go and do, okay, so well, I know 6 plus 4 equals 10. So let me just pick up 4 students here. And then I'm going to go pick up 6, and that's 10, then 7 and 3, then 5 and 5. Anyway, so that's how you play it. Again, there's other games that you can play. I just thought that they were too advanced for my students. But again, if you teach older kids like 3rd to 5th grade, then this would be a good resource for you to have. Again, it's free, low prep, and you can just have the kids play while they're learning math. It's something a little different than Prodigy. Thanks for watching and subscribing to all my videos. I hope that you enjoyed my presentation. If you have questions, feel free to look at other YouTube videos or the websites because I'm not making any other videos. Thanks, Kay. Bye.